Okay guys, so yeah, there we are. So first of all, we're going to load our static files in this card summary page. Okay, go to your card summary and just go to the home and copy this in block. Go and come to card summary and paste it in here. Okay, and again go to home and just copy all of these codes and paste them in here. Okay, and click save and go over here and just refresh this. Okay, so you will see that I have made it substances in here, the column, and this there should be 2 and the 10 and there should be 9 and the 3. Okay, and this pretty much it. So if I see here there is a ace attack. Okay, so I should sum all of this. So I should have the sum of all of these products, but here is a problem. There is 15. The one is showing that it's 15 and the 2 also showing that 15. It means the quantity is not giving the sum value in here, so we should also make that. If we come here, this is 25. So if I add this and go to our cart, and the 2 also is showing is 25.80. so we need Django math filters. Okay, so go to the official and just type here Django math filters. Okay, and go to the Django math filters official pip package and copy this and just come to your terminal and Ctrl C and just paste that and click enter. Okay, so you can see I have already installed Django filters, math filters. So after that saying that we should add math filters to our installed apps, so we have to copy this. Okay, and just go basically in our main setting page, not this, but this, and just give it a string and pass the math filters. Okay, and just click save and run python manage.py run server, and we should fetch this. And so we should also come here and just load the math filters. Okay, copy that and paste that in here, and there is the price. So if should add something in here, should add. Okay, come over here and just type mul slash item dot qty. Okay, click save and just refresh this, and we should see the plus values. Okay, you can see the 2 of this is 30 now. Okay, we also need one thing. We need to sum up every price and show that the all sum in here. So we can also do that. Okay, we can also do it by going to our cart. Okay, go to cart and just come over here, and we have to define a function in here. Get total. Okay, and it's going to in ourself should return summation of decimal and the item should have the price. Okay, so give the item qty and we should um, should or we should have a for loop for the item in self dot cart dot values. Okay, so we have our total. So we should now go to our cart summary and come to int and just after the main type here a div. Okay, the div should have a class of column should be borrowed 12, so the text should be int and this should be our total, so it should be cart dot get total. Okay, so it should be like this. If I save this and just refresh in here, should see the total in here. Okay, every total is now showing. Okay, after this we need some changes in here. We should delete and update this cart with these things. So first of all I am going to make the delete functionality, so let's do that. So come over here and type this delete and this should be our delete slash button, and we are going to remove this id and the value I'm going to give this data index. Okay, so now we are going to call our ajax. Okay, so we have to write script here. Okay, go to the product and just copy this script, copy it and come over here and before the end block. Past that. Okay, so this should be our cart dot delete, and this should be the delete button. So should have given class, you can see it's in the class. So going to giving dot in here, and also this delete button. So need to remove the quantity, we don't need that. Okay, the string of this type here, this. Okay, and there should be no value, should be the data, that is index. Okay, so should be card.qty, and we also need another by the name of total. So it should be total. So yeah, it's pretty much like this. And now we are going to write some function into our cart. So first of all, okay, go over here and just write our first definition about the delete. So if there is a delete, so the cart item must be deleted. So this should be cart.product, and product slash id, product. So after that, if the product id in self dot cart, okay, then should delete it. So self dot cart product id. Okay, and we also need a refreshment, so the session should be refreshed. Modified equal to 2. Okay, that's it. That's pretty much it. And should go to the URLs, not this, the card URLs. So we should give this slash and go to the views and copy all of this and just paste that. So this should be card.delete, and the delete should be post. We don't need the quantity, so we don't need this. So this should be cart.delete, product should be product slash ID, and there should be no quantity, and we also need the cart dot uh, total. Okay, cart dot get total, and there should be okay, so it's our total, there should be cart total. Okay, so if I save this and everything should be good to go. So if I come here and just refresh this, or delete is showing, if I click over this, so you can see nothing is happening. If I refresh this, so you can see our cart is deleted. If I again click over this and just refresh this, you can see also that cart was deleted. So let me go to the slash and just add again and go over here and see this. Okay, so if I delete this and refresh this, so it's showing goodly. So now we have to update this. I need to update this quantity with this button. So let's go here and go to the cart summary and just go to that button and just copy this and paste over here, and we need this button update. Okay, the data index should be like this, and we need this Ajax code again, and I need to make some changes in here. So this should be update button, update. So there is the class should be update. Okay, so this should be cart.update date. Okay, not this, not this. The second one, dot update, and okay, so we need some things in here. So we need the product quantity, make sure there should be no indent error in here. So after that, type this and this should be our the select value, select file, and we also need get a variable to get our product ID. The product ID should be equal to this dot data and index. Okay, select product ID. I think we should give some space, and after that should give the option, and that is selected, and it should come with the text. Okay, I think it's like this, and should go over there, and just go to our this select button. So we should get our product ID, so I'm going to type here select, and there should be the product ID, and we also need some values in here, so it should be 1, hello, and we also need type here 2, 3 and 4. Okay, we have successfully settled down our HTML. So now one thing is remain is creating the cart. Okay, and we should copy this delete thing and paste here. So there should be QTY, and in it one thing, the product quantity. Okay, should be the QTY, and there should be no delete. Okay, so the product ID in the cart should serve the cart, the product ID should have the QTY, should the product quantity. Okay, like this, and we should go to the views and just copy this and paste in here, type this. This is going to update. Okay, and we need the quantity, copy that, paste over in here, cart dot update, product ID, and the QTY should be product dot quantity. I think I am making a and everything is fine. So if I go to the URLs, and we should also remove this hash from here and click save, and just refresh this. And if I give this 3 and click for update, so if I refresh this, something is definitely wrong. So the mistake was, if I go to my cart summary, and you can see I have to add just a comma in here and click save, and this was a CSF medieval token error. If I give this 3 and click update and just refresh this, okay, now getting also a error. So it's saying that this is not a function, but why? Okay, if I go over this, you can see I have given this into this update button. So remove that and click save, and just refresh this, and I'm going to give this 2 and give this. Okay, it's saying that update is done, that server error. Okay, I think we have made a mistake somewhere. So when up Visual Studio Code says we are not getting the quantity, so yeah, you can see I forget this to give rename update. So if I save this and come over here and refresh this, just give 2 and update, still saying error. So the error is mainly I think we have made it the mistake in here, so should remove this and give the dot in here. If I save this now and okay, click save, okay, dot and just refresh this and give this 2 and update. So there is another error in here. I think it's updated. If I refresh this, you can see it's 2, but some error is happening. So it's saying that the text content is can be null. So what is the error is going on? This text content is getting null, but what is the null one? Click over this, and this is saying that the total is not found. Okay, the error is basically in the total, so you have to give the ID total. So if I go here, go to cart summary, and the end of get total section, we should give the total value in here. So give this ID total, so that's how the Ajax will find this total. So get element by ID, and this will give this total. So if I save this and if I give this 3, and you should look into the total. Okay, if I click over update, okay, we should refresh one time, so you can see it's updated. If I click over 2 and if I click update, you can see this is updated. So we have successfully set up our total and also the delete. Okay, so it's good. Okay, so this is it guys. So we have successfully uh, created our diligent update button on the cart page. So can now add cart and go here and can update this and can update this. Also we can delete this. Okay, so this is it guys. So I will see you. Okay, let's just write one more function. Okay, if I click update and if I click update, so it's not uh, showing that. So we can write function is here, window dot reload. Can if I save this and refresh this, and now if I click over 3 and update, so yeah, it's 3, but I think our function is not working. Okay, you can see the price is not going. If I delete this, no, it's not working. So wait a bit. So we can do is not window, can give location that reload. Okay, and copy this in here also, the success tab. Okay, if I save this now and go over our shows and add to cart, if I give 4 and update this, yeah, it's reloading. You can see that if I click over delete, so it's deleted. So this is it guys. I will see you in the next video. So yeah, tata, bye bye.